Wow, this is great that we can go to the supermarket. Oh, wow, it's like a vending machine. Okay, I guess we can just talk to it and it'll give us food. Okay, here's some coins. Okay. Can I have some bacon, please? Wow, there's bacon. Oh, I'm a doggy, so I like bacon. Can I have some more bacon, please? Whoa, it just came out. Wow, yum, 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 yum. That's so great. Yeah, I got the bacon from in there. Oh, you did? Wow. Can I have some bacon, please? I'm Rubble. I love bacon. Wow. There's more bacon. Okay, I'm Sky. Can I have a strawberry or broccoli, please?
Yeah, I have apples there.
Or apples.
Apples came out there.
It did?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Let me crunch this apple. Nom, 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 nom. It's so yummy. Oh, I need some healthy food too. Can you give me some broccoli?
I can't find it there. Oh yeah, I found it.
Okay. Wait. Why is this vending machine talking? Vending machines don't talk. Okay. Where'd it go? Where'd it go?
There, I just dropped it.
The broccoli?
Yeah.
Okay, let me see. Oh, okay. Yummy. Okay. What about some grapes?
Grapes? I can't. Let's see where's the grape. Where did they go? What is this? The long grape or a short grape?
A long grape.
A long grape.
Wow. So juicy. Okay. The Ninja Turtles want some ice cream cones. Mm-hmm. Or donuts or pizza.
I'm going to choose a donut.
Okay.
Donut.
Where? Where's the donut?
I just dropped it there.
Okay, can I have another piece of food? It can be a surprise.
Okay. Can I give you a clue?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, it's red.
It's red?
Yeah.
Okay, sure. Give me something that's red.
I gave you it.
Oh, is this a strawberry?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Nom, 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 nom. Thank you. Well, that was a very fun trip to the market. Okay, bye.
Bye.
Okay, thank you so much. Whoever's inside the vending machine.